Personally, for me, it was really difficult to find someone that I can look up to, especially when I just started. There were not many female entrepreneurs in travel tech sector. So I thought, like, if I cannot find one, let me be the one who create this. I think we have around over 40 different nationalities coming from all different parts of the world. The reason that I do this is because I love connecting women from different culture, different languages. So I really want you to be connected with each one of you. For me, it's really breathing. The moment that I leave, the moment that I feel like I can be who I am, it's the moment that when I feel the most free.
For me, solo travel means freedom.
It's really bring me a lot of inspiration, and it gives me pure experience, which I cannot do back at home.
Solo travel is the best way to build the confidence.
Solo travel gives you an opportunity to grow up.
Solo traveling gives me a new perspective of seeing a new place.
Thanks to solo travel, I was able to find kind of my own destiny, because right now I'm a digital nomad. I'm traveling all the time.
Can travel anywhere!